What's up, you guys? It's your girl Christina Chanel, and I am going to do this quick review. But first, before you do anything, do your girl a favor and like and push that subscribe button. Come on now, it's free. Push the subscribe button. However do you want it? I went out and bought a frontal from the hair store. It is a packaged hair frontal, and everybody know, like, that's supposed to be a no-no, but your girl needed a frontal, and I feel like waiting on what's going on over in China. I ain't got time to be waiting any longer. Let's get into how I got this frontal together.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna
so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what we've been through, I miss you. And you
my slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. When two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again.
Trust in me, baby.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me.
So this frontal was 13 by 4. It came very full. I don't like plucking like crazy, but you know, I pluck it because I mean it's not like your natural hair. I'm not gonna be plucking any of my frontals bald. This frontal dyed perfectly. I had some hair from Gennaro. Y'all know it. Y'all know it. The hair is amazing. Gennaro hair is good. The hair is good. So, but yeah. Today was wash day, so your girl washed it. The frontal bleaches perfectly. Like it bleaches perfectly. And I used some foam tint from, of course, chanelscrown to tint my lace. And yeah, it did it amazing. Like the frontal was cooking. Girls, I'm going to tell you now, if you're waiting on a package or if you're waiting on some hair to come through the mail and it has not come and you just are forced to go to the hair store and you're looking for like some packaged hair, or you're looking for a packaged frontal, it's called the HD Swiss Lace Frontal. That's what it is. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it right here so you guys can see it. It's amazing. Like, it is amazing, okay? Just, yeah. But okay, you all, I wanted to come through and drop this video because for some reason, I don't know what's going on over in the mainland, but you know, they still having some problems with you know what. We ain't even got to say it. So yeah, the local beauty stores are getting our coins, and yeah, if you got to go, you got to go. Like, I have not had any issues at all. Yeah, so. And the hair blend perfectly with the other hair that I had. Sorry, I'm looking at my mirror. I can see it. But yeah, all right. Peace out. I definitely wanted to come in and give you ladies this review. Give you ladies, whoever is needing a frontal, and you ain't got time to wait, okay? Go get it. Actually, what you can do for your girl is go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I need it, honey. I'm growing this channel organically. I ain't buying no followers. I ain't buying no subscribers, okay? I ain't doing that. So yeah, hit that subscribe button. And then go get your frontal if you need it, okay? Bye.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been